All right, so on the back of your range, you'll have a cover with 2 screws at the bottom. You want to take that off. Then you'll see the 3 right here. 1, 2, 3. With this nut down here, what you want to do is these are double nutted. So you want to take these nuts off, all 3 of them. And now you have your plug. And basically what you want to do is you want to unscrew these 2 clamps. Once you have the clamps out and unhooked, you want to put the clamps through like this. And then you want to fish the wire straight through here. Once you have the clamps in, what you're going to want to do is screw these nuts tight, but not so tight before connecting these, then you tighten up after. Best way to do this is to screw one on. So I got the red one on, and then just hand tighten in this, and then put the white one on, and then hand tighten that, and then put the black one and hand tighten, and you can fully screw it down later. And just know that the red goes with the red, white goes in the middle, and the black goes on this side. This green one is the ground that goes on this green nut down here. If you have an older stove that does not have a ground, which is the 3-prong, then that's fine. You won't have that nut. And then if you have an even older stove that doesn't have color coordination, just know that the middle is always going to be neutral, and these 2 are always going to be the hot. So just find out which, if from your color coding or whatnot, try to some way, shape, or form figure out where the neutral is. Because in the power cord, the neutral is always going to be the middle one. So you'll know that. So then over here, if there's no color coordination, always just go with the middle one with the neutral. That comes from the power cord, because it'll be like three prongs, so you know to pick the middle one. All right, so once you're done, you tighten all 3 of them, put the cover back on, make sure that the ground, that green nut was there if you have a 4-prong, and make sure to go to your, before you plug it in, make sure you go to your circuit breaker, your electrical panel, and turn off the circuit breaker for the range. And then plug it in, check all 4 burners in the oven, and you should be good to go.